What's up, guys? It is Saturday, day of the mega ride. We got the Shogo twins here working the Shred 810. We got Kat over here just holding the camera doing nothing, but this is the vendor spot. We have Red Bull coming to this, so it should be pretty cool. Then we have the big ride today. This is a permitted ride, so hopefully the cops won't give us any trouble. Why did you bring this piece of shit?
Shut up. It's the only bike that runs good that it has. It's the only one that doesn't need a charge. George, get on the bike.
Hey, George. Hey, bud. This is so cool, dude. Sorry, I'm just so amazed by this.
Door. Jet ski.
That's awesome. Look at this thing.
30. Red Bull giveaway will be at 2.
All right, Saturday mega ride. This is like the main ride at the mega ride. We have a ton of bikes out. It's about to get dicey out here.
That's just a sticker on top.
Dude, the music playing is ridiculous. Guys, it's like 90 degrees. Oh yeah, big pack. The Razors, the Surrons, everyone, baby.
Let's go, BK.
Huge bag.
My favorite creator.
What? Whoa, that was crazy. See how this shift lock works? I made it shift lock with Willie Stunt's old bent one. Everyone's outside filming. What's up? This dude is ready to run a race. What the hell? Yo, what? What was that? Dude, that was straight tweaker shit. Just the sheer amount of bikes. You can see the sheer size of the pack. We still got so many behind us. Oh, guys, the GoPro keeps turning off because it's so damn hot. But we are getting cozy on the RTR now. Shift lock helps a ton. Tyler just fell, got all scraped up. But he's still out here wheeling. Why isn't everyone in the front of the pack wheeling? This is weird. Bro, are you good though? I see you got a little rash. What's up, bro? How you doing? Good to see you. Can you wheel yet? No? Okay. Hey, at least you know. Jesus Christ. Hey! Yo, in the boot, that's commitment. Dude, just look at the pack go up this hill. That's crazy. Is that a fucking tick? Get off me. Like a peach triple S. That's crazy. Yo, that color's dope. It's great, bro. It just needs supermotos and then it's good. I'm not seeing as many wheelies as I'd like. This will be a true testament of the range on the RTR because these are like hills and all here, and we're moving now. Whew. Sorry. Just kicked that dude's bike.
Don't hit my kill switch.
I was looking for the water more so. Nah, I'm cool. Thank you though.
Might be a difficult sipping situation.
Damn, this is a beautiful view. Holy shit. Look at this. We did not go this way the last time I was in Austin. I haven't been doing it enough today. Yeah, that's sick. I like the blue too, dude. Did you just get it recently, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah, I love the videos of it.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
On the freeway with ConnorG.
Literally on the freeway. This is nuts. Such a big group too. Over the bridge. The boat's out on the water. The mini bikes. Here. Oh, nice and cool. 62. Whew. I mean, I have the 12 Supermotos on mine at home, but I like those, but this helps a lot.
What's up, dude?
You having fun?
Oh, beautiful. Stopping, going, 400 people.
There's so many people in here.
Shit is wild.
Dude, there's a lot of fucking people. Go on. Bloody hell, beautiful.
You let me stop for that.
Woo, finally getting this now. Ah, the police chopper. It's our escort. Probably not a good idea for my range right now, but alas, here we are. Yeah, guys, this is to be by far the biggest mega ride that I've come to yet. It's got to be like 300-400 people, and you can see it just goes up and over the hills, and there's so many people behind us. It's properly nutty. What do you think so far, dude?
So far, so good.
All right, pit stop done. Apparently we're a little bit more than halfway through the ride. I'm at 50%. Jesus. You. No, you're good.
You alright?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're good. Nah, you're good. All right, we got our crashing. Did Luca fall? What happened?
My caliper snapped up.
What? Did you loop?
Yeah, I fell.
Are you good?
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, what's up?
I love your video.
I appreciate it, dude.
Rip the board, just let me know.
All right, you want to trade?
Yeah.
All right, f*** it.
You want regen or no regen?
What do you ride with?
I ride with it, but
I'll just ride with it then. All right, we're on a Stark. Thanks, Joseph, for the pass off. Oh, we got to catch up. Good thing we're on a Stark and a baby ETM RTR. That's Stark power, baby! Oh, yeah. The Starks are crazy, bro. I am not wheeling this thing. The thing is a big bike to wheelie coming from the RTR. I just need plenty of room. Power on this thing is so crazy. This would be a sick bike to have. It's a lot of bike though. A lot of bike. We just have to get comfy on it, as with anything. The thing with Starks is balance point is so far back on them too. I rode one in California at Electroland and it's deep.
hey, brother, how you liking it?
I love it, dude. I'm too afraid to wheelie it though. Oh, I do love being on a bigger bike though. I really want to get like good on a bigger bike. This is sick. Just power wheelies.
Is that Connor?
What up?
On a Starkey?
Connor, what? On a Stark? Yes, sir. How you doing? You having fun? Dude, you sound like you just smoked a pack of Reds.
Bro, are you having fun?
I'm having fun. Dude, I just feel so cool riding this Stark. It's 580? Yeah. All right, 80 horsepower. Oh! Someone get his... I mean, is there anything we can do?
I don't think
We should probably just keep going. Hopefully that kid's okay.
Probably broke his tailbone.
Dude, he looks like he's in pain.
Yeah, that's very painful. Very, very painful.
Well, guys, an eventful ride as always for the Mega Ride. We had one loop for myself, probably 10 loops from everybody else and other crashes. Actually, I didn't loop. I will correct. I did not loop. Anyways, we're at, I think, 30%. We're pretty low on battery, but we're almost back to the meat spot. I'm going to save my battery, though, because I want to be able to charge quick before the night ride. But I'll see you guys on the night ride. Peace.